Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learn in Minutes, and today I'd like to give you a simple demo on how I prepare the wire before I splint periodontally compromised teeth. For this you require ligature wire, a cutter, a probe, a needle holder or an artery forceps. Okay, so you take the ligature wire, maybe around a certain length, and then you cut it. Okay, then you bend it to form a U, okay? And then you take your probe, you secure this U, intertwine both the wires, okay, so that the wire is secured, okay? And then you hold both these tips with an artery forceps or a needle holder, and then you use your forefinger in one of the needles, and then you start rotating. Okay, just rotate, rotate, rotate. You go on rotating until you feel the wire is completely intertwined with each other. Both the ends are intertwined, and I feel this is enough. You release the wire, take it out from the probe. Okay. Now you see, you can mark it with a marker as to what is the distance that is required. Okay, you can shape the wire based on the arch. It's quite pliable that way. And then you just cut it. Probably if you're doing from canine to canine, just cut a piece of wire this way, secure it over here, and then okay, just adapt it according to the arch and cure with composite. So that's it, simple. Thank you guys, hope this video was useful.